Hey guys, so as the holiday season is upon us and Christmas shopping is underway, I thought I'd make this video on shopping for car products. I get tons of questions on Instagram and YouTube from people asking me where I get some of my products from, and just in general product questions about the Dodge Charger. So I'm going to be doing this quick little video on some of the top products I recommend for your Dodge Charger. I think I've got 18 in this list. Some of the stuff will fit the first gen from 2006 to 2010, some will fit the 2011 to 2014, some will fit the 2015 and up, and some will be universal. This stuff is mostly all products that I have used directly or my friends have used. So we're going to look at a few different categories. We got performance parts, visual mods, and cleaning supplies. I've also tried to give a mix of products for all Charger years from my generation up to the current models. As I've said, most of the products I do talk about are going to be purchased on Amazon because it's available to everyone. Everyone I know shops on Amazon has been there before, they're used to it. There's tons of great product reviews that help you make a decision on whether to buy something, and there's also the best shipping prices there, especially with things like Amazon Prime. I know that I shop on Amazon pretty much every week, so when I started buying car stuff off of there, it was super easy for me, and I'm going to leave all the links to everything I talk about in the description below, in case you want to check it out. And if you do like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see in a part 2. So let's start off with performance parts. The first mods are going to be cold air intakes for the 3.5 and 3.6 liter V6 models. These are a good beginner performance mod that won't break the bank for roughly $300, and it's something you can install yourself. They will give you a bit of a bump in horsepower, nothing crazy, but you'll be able to feel it a little bit, and also they're oiled filters so they are reusable. You just have to buy a kit to clean them, and you never really need to get a new one ever again. Another performance mod is the Flowmaster Super 10 series muffler. The one I'm showing on screen is on my car and probably fits most V6 applications, but you should check out your own specific car and setup to be sure. These mufflers are the most aggressive sounding one I could find, and I'm really impressed with their sound and performance, especially for a price of $75. Many people say that I have a good sounding V6, and I attribute a lot of that to the Flowmaster Super 10 series muffler. Moving on to some visual mods, the first is going to be a simple one, a blacked out license plate cover. These are just $2 to $3 and they add a sinister look to the back of the car, but make sure you're aware of local laws regarding these. Next up are some interior radios. When I first got my Charger, I put in a Pioneer double DIN radio. Why? It looked good, was really cheap, around $130, and was simple. It made the music sound better and added some features my car didn't have, like Bluetooth. Then I upgraded again to a Seicane touchscreen radio, and this added a big 7-inch screen with tons of awesome features like internet capability, navigation, a DVD player, and so much more. I've had it for around 10 months now, and it's still performing great, well worth the price tag that's under $400. And both of these radios are for the 2006 to 2010 Chargers. Next up, we have a nice black T-Shifter. I think these look and feel really awesome inside the interior of a Charger, and they should fit from 2006 right up to 2015, but you want to check the product again to make sure before you buy. And it's a simple 2-minute install, and for $30 to $40 the price is really good too. Next up, there's a really cool little mod, the Claw Decal. These will fit on any year of a Charger. You just customize them to your liking by fitting them and cutting them, and then install. I really love the look this added on my Charger, and it may not be for your personal tastes, but I'm a big fan and they really help the car stand out. And the best part is, it only costs $8.99 for a pair. Now let's move on to LED headlight bulbs. Most stock bulbs are pretty dim and yellow, especially mine were, so some $40 to $50 LED bulbs are a great way to add some bright white lights to the look of the car. They will perform well, you can see a little better at night, and they won't blind other drivers as long as they're installed correctly. I've made a video about my JDM AStar kit in my Charger, and there's also another reputable brand here, which are Cougar motor LEDs. One question I get all the time is about my Hellcat Replicas. They are one of the most popular wheels around and look good on any Mopar. You can find these on Amazon in a variety of different shades, like gloss or matte black, and in a bunch of different widths as well, depending on how big you want to go. The price is about the going rate, usually coming in at about $200 a wheel. Next up is a front lip splitter for the first gen chargers. If you don't have one, I definitely say you need one. It's around $70, goes well with any color car, and adds a bit of a different look up front. Can't say enough good things about these. Another mod for the first gen chargers is a black mesh grille. This is hands down one of my favorite mods and the best bang for your buck. You totally transform the front end, you can install the thing yourself, all for under $40, and this will forever change the look of your charger for the better. Finally, to round out the visual stuff, there's two spoilers, one for the first gen charger and one for the newer charger to resemble the Hellcat Spoiler. A company called California Dream makes both of them, and they come to your door all painted in your car color, ready for install for just 98 bucks. Not a bad deal for a really good looking mod. Now I want to move to some cleaning supplies to finish off the video, because your car has to stay clean to look good. So my favorite tire shine is the Armor All Extreme Tire Shine Gel. This stuff is only around 10 bucks, comes with an applicator pad, lasts like 10 or more times, and gives a wet black shine. And I prefer the gel as opposed to any spray because then it won't get messy, go all over the place, and it actually sticks to where you want it to. This is my go-to for keeping my tires clean and shiny. My go-to soap is now Adam's Car Wash Shampoo. The reason I bought it was because it has a pH neutral formula, so it's totally safe for any part of the car. I was worried since this summer I had vinyl stripes installed, and I didn't want to get any waxy soaps on them to damage them in any way. So this Adam's stuff smells great and cleans even better, and their whole line is really good as well. The best glass cleaner I've ever used is this stuff called Invisible Glass. I tried everything from Windex to Mopar glass cleaner, and nothing ever really worked well. There was always streaks and dirt still on my windows. I figured there had to be an easier way, and sure enough, the Invisible Glass worked wonders and performed very well for me. So I highly recommend giving this a shot, again, under 10 bucks. And finally, you need something to use to clean the car, so you should pick up some Chemical Guys professional grade gold premium microfiber towels. For 20 bucks you get 12 towels, so that's under 2 bucks per. They have two sides to them, one thicker and one thinner, so they're perfect for washing, drying, and detailing. I've tried tons of local auto store towel packs, and they're always more expensive, wear out quickly, and don't work like these ones. These are some really high quality stuff. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you do purchase any of these or have used any of the products yourself. If not, what do you use? Also, let me know if you want to see a part 2 or even part 3, and feel free to give me some product recommendations. Just thought I'd try out a bit of a different video, and who knows, maybe you found someone a Christmas present. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you next video.